Are you curious about which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we're comparing DeepSeek R1 and Claude. Let's dive in. Both DeepSeek R1 and Claude are powerful AI tools designed to help with various tasks. They can assist with content generation, answering questions, and more. But how do they stack up against each other? First, let's talk about DeepSeek R1. This tool is known for its advanced search capabilities. It can sift through large amounts of data quickly. Users appreciate its ability to find relevant information fast. DeepSeek R1 is often used by researchers and professionals who need accurate data. Now, let's look at Claude. Claude is designed to be conversational and interactive. It focuses on generating human like text. People love using Claude for creative writing and brainstorming ideas. It's great for those who want a more engaging experience. So, what are the main differences between these two? DeepSeek R1 excels in data retrieval, while Claude shines in conversation and creativity. If you need quick facts, DeepSeek is your go to. If you want to create stories or chat, Claude is the better choice. When it comes to features, DeepSeek R1 offers advanced search filters and data analysis tools. Claude, on the other hand, provides a user friendly interface and a more natural conversation flow. Each has its strength depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, DeepSeek R1 usually offers a subscription model, while Claude might have different pricing plans. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. In conclusion, if you are looking for data and research support, DeepSeek R1 is ideal for creative tasks and writing. Claude is the way to go. Choose based on your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.